But obviously our favorite part, let's go check out the balcony. Molly, you got it? And nope.
No, I don't.
Nope, she doesn't. What's up, everybody? We are back with a brand new video. It's been obviously a while with this whole virus. It's been several months and we've tried to film a few videos but kind of been out of it. We are back and better than ever because today we are at the DVC's Riviera Resort. It just reopened. All the DVC resorts have reopened early on June 22nd, I believe. And we are here in a 2-bedroom villa.
Huge shout out to my Aunt Noni, who's a DVC member, and she got us this room, which is completely amazing. We are so excited.
Yes.
So we're going to give you a quick tour around, and we are being safe. We're using our masks. Everyone has our masks, using social distancing, so
Yes.
we are really excited for our stay here. So let's check it out.
Yeah, so we just want to give you a full tour of the 2-bedroom villa at Riviera's Resort. We got a great view. We have a preferred view, by the way, for anybody kind of searching that. But yeah, let's check it out, shall we?
Alrighty.
So
Here we have the kitchen. Beautiful appliances. We got the flat top stove. This is our friend Yosef. Fridge, tons of storage. You could definitely live here for like weeks on end if you have that kind of money. And then we have our nice little dining room here, which is nice for all your family dinners. And then we do have it does temperature control, like the normal stuff. And then over here is the living room. We got this massive TV. Also, this comes out. It is a bed, a twin bed.
wow,
So-
didn't even know that.
I didn't either until I pulled it. I thought it was storage.
Okay, cool.
Then we have our living room, which is really cute. This wall actually comes out, and this is a double bed, and it's really cool. So this place can sleep up to 9 people, which is really exciting. So you have the king bed in the master, you have 2 queens in the secondary bedroom, you have the pull-out here, and then the pull-out there. So we are going to head into the master bedroom. And then we got our lovely king-size bed here, which is super comfy. We got a nice looking TV here, and you'll see all of the remotes are labeled as clean.
Yes. And plenty of dresser storage space right here, which is very nice.
Yeah.
The master bedroom is really, really cool. It's very sleek. Obviously, the artwork on the wall, they really are going for that French Riviera kind of
And
scene.
we got the Aristocats. It's so cute.
Yes. But obviously, our favorite part, let's go check out the balcony. Molly, you got it? And nope.
No, I don't.
Nope, she doesn't. It's okay.
Help me.
What's going on here?
I don't know. The other one opened really easy.
Just gotta pull it. Okay, we're going this way, guys. Okay. So the balcony, we clearly are a little bit struggling here, but this is the balcony. It's gorgeous. We have a preferred view room, as we mentioned. Check out this view, guys.
You can see both the pools on location. Then you can also see across the way, that's the Riviera or the Caribbean Beach Resort. And then you can see the Skyliner in the distance. Unfortunately, it's not running right now, which is a bummer, but it's an amazing view. And you can see everything that's going on in this little shindig, so that's exciting.
With the whole virus and everything going on, obviously these rooms are not very busy, which is exciting for us because the more room the better, honestly, and the more social distancing the better. So how exciting is this? This is really cool. We love this view. This is actually one of our favorite walks on Disney property, by the way. So outside of the boardwalk, those two. So let's keep going with the tour. We still got plenty of room to show you. So let's walk back through the master bedroom. Over here we have the master bath. There is closet space right here. So as I mentioned, master bedroom has plenty of dresser space and closet space. But let's head right in here.
Bathrooms are probably my favorite part of the resort, mostly because we have this gorgeous tub that
Yes.
I'm super excited about. I'm probably going to hop in that later.
Yes.
Also, they have one of these fancy mirrors where you can look at all your pores and fancy shit like that.
Fancy
Fancy.
like that.
All right,
Check
and
this
then
out.
the toilet, this one serves kind of as a double for the master and then also kind of the guest bathroom, but we got an amazing shower. It has 2 shower heads. So you can choose which way you would like to be
Very bougie,
wetted.
above the top, copper shower.
And then we
I feel
also
like
have, there's a bench in there, and then it has the pumps with all the Disney shampoos in it, and there's even like a little shelf where you can kind of put all your own personal
And
goodies.
if you wear a suit to dinner, like Topolino's Terrace, you can sit down and soak like James Bond, because that's the kind of shower it reminds me of, a James Bond shower. Let's go this way. She doesn't know what I'm talking about. It's all right. Sink, mirror, Jared.
Over here we have the stackable washer and dryer, which is a huge perk of being in a villa. We just have some extra storage over here with all the amenities, safe, extra
All the extra pillows and blankets for the pull-out beds.
all that good stuff. We're gonna head over to the guest
second bedroom.
And then we just have a huge closet space here, which is really great. And so
Could
we're
be considered a third bedroom.
for us maybe. And then so this is the bathroom in the guest bedroom. The shower is exactly the same as the one in the master. It has
Really
the dual
beautiful.
shower head, which is super exciting. And then over here, it's gonna be the second tub. Not as exciting as the first, but it's okay. I can share.
Yes, very nice tub in here. Great sink, great space all around, obviously.
This place has so much storage. So I don't know, maybe they were planning on people staying here all the time, but look at this. Like, you are not gonna run out of space here, so you can buy all the souvenirs you want, and you won't have to worry about where you're gonna keep them. So
I
they
can
got
never
two-
tell which drawer is a pull-out bed and which is an actual dresser, to be honest. There's so many.
No pull-out beds in here. I really love the headboards on here. They got the little Mickey here, which I think is super cute.
Over here, the concert hall, Mickey.
A huge perk of the new DVC resorts is that they have the outlets with the USB, which is really cool. So
Should be our thumbnail. Just USBs.
USBs, that's a big deal. All right, and then we are going to finish off with the second balcony.
Let's try round 2 of opening up a door.
I got this one open, no problem.
Another balcony over here, a little bit smaller of a balcony in terms of like room from when you get out to stand
It's
up.
narrower. It's narrower. About the
Narrower.
same width, but it's a little narrower.
Yes.
But even so, 2 balconies is fantastic. And you get just as beautiful of a view over here.
Yeah,
And
and
yeah.
looking down right there, that is the private pool. There's a hot tub right over there for any of you hot tub junkies like me. So here's a private pool over there. That's where those beautiful murals are, which everyone talks about with the Riviera Resort. And as you can see, this view, there's a lake, Caribbean beach, and the main pool with the water slide over there. And up there on the roof, Topolino's Terrace. So yeah, this is our full tour of the 2-bedroom villa. We hope you guys enjoyed this. We're just very excited to show you guys this place. Again, super big. What's going on?
Turn.
Sorry.
So you can see
I
your
don't know.
faces.
And the light would have adjust. Sorry. Boom. Boom, baby. Anyways, this place is amazing. And we haven't stayed here yet. So to just stay here our first time and get this great of a room, big shout out again to Molly's aunt, Nani. She's the best. And yeah, we heavily recommend this space. It's very clean, very organized, and if you can get a preferred room like this, I mean, you can't beat this view, guys. It really is gorgeous.
Yeah, this resort just opened in December of last year, so it's brand new, hardly been open for 6 months, and Disney's been closed for 3 of them. So
Poor thing, it was like, where were you
not
open?
many people
Never mind.
have really stayed. Not many people have stayed in this room, which is
Yeah.
kind of cool.
Yeah,
So yeah, we're super excited for this trip.
If you guys like other room tours, we got several on our channel from other Disney resorts, and we plan on posting them. So we do post videos every single week around Disney, Universal, and Orlando properties. We are on Facebook, Instagram, I'm on Twitter, and yeah, we're just so happy to be talking to you guys again.
It's been a while.
Yes, and if you guys ever have any requests with videos, tours, anything, definitely leave it in the comments. And yeah, we heavily recommend this room. It's amazing. So
thanks for watching. It's been great.
it has been great. My name is Jared,
And I'm Molly.
and we'll catch you on the flip-flop.